Hi friends, so yesterday we talked about common nouns or regular nouns, and today we're going to be talking about proper nouns. So let's talk about what a proper noun is. So we have common nouns, which are, if we talk about a common noun that's a person, it's like a teacher, student, girl, or boy, right? So these are my common nouns. They are who people are, but they're not necessarily the names of these people, right? When I talk about proper nouns, then it is people's names, right? So Miss McElroy, that's a proper noun. If you said the teacher, that's a common noun, but if you say Miss McElroy, that would be a proper noun. And what we have to remember with proper nouns is that we always capitalize them. Always, okay? Susie, right? That's somebody's name, so that would be a proper noun. Bobby and Joey, these are boys' names, so they would be a proper noun. Now, if we talk about places like home, the school, library, mall, restaurant, these are all common nouns, right? I'm not saying the specific name of a school or the specific name of a restaurant, right? Now, if I go over here, I talk about Burnett Creek. That's a proper noun. And what do we always do with proper nouns? We capitalize them, right? So I have Burnett Creek, Walmart, McDonald's, Purdue University. These are all names of specific places, so they are proper nouns. All right, if I talk about things, right? Things like pencil, shoes, chair, pillow, candy, these are all common nouns because I'm not saying the name of that thing. If I say the name of that thing, like Skittles or Curious George or Nike or Jeep, these all become proper nouns in which I have to capitalize them. Okay, so let's look at this. If I have this Expo marker, if I say I have the dry erase marker, that's a common noun. But if I say I have the Expo dry erase marker, that turns it into a proper noun, right? Because I'm giving you the specific type of marker, the name of the marker. It's called an Expo marker, all right? All right, if I say I have the mask, but then if I say I have a specific kind of mask, right, then it becomes a proper noun. All right, so remember the common nouns are people, places, and things. Proper nouns are the names of those people, places, and things. And we always capitalize proper nouns. Thanks. Answer the questions below.